What's up, guys? Welcome back to Homebody Review. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean out the drain tubes for your GE profile ice maker. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll keep the connector plug on and just allow it to drain off soon so the clean solution can get inside the lines. What you guys will probably need too is a metal skewer, because it pretty much allows you to get inside and as far as to agitate those lines. Make sure you come back to the unit and you put your machine in cleaning mode. Alright guys, so the lines are still draining out, but as you can see the lines are pretty much clear, and I think that's due to just the constant cleaning. But I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If so, please let me know. Leave a comment in the comment box below. I'll leave a link in the description of where you guys can pick up all the products shown in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.